Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CNC for TDM. In this video, today we are going to study screw jack, drawing of the screw jack, assembly drawing and detail drawing. So first of all, what is the use of the screw jack? Screw jack are used for raising heavy loads through a small heights, just like a mechanic use while lifting the car, anything. So and in this video, this all the parts, detail parts and assembly drawing is shown here. So let us study. So actually what happens, screw is turned, it can move upward or downward by raising or lowering the load. So this is the function of the screw jack. Okay, lifting or lowering. So this is our screw jack. So this is detailed drawing of the screw jack. All the parts are shown here in the detailed drawing. So we can also study this drawing. So these are the parts shown in the drawing. These are 7 parts are there. It is a list of parts. First part is body. This is body of the screw jack. All the dimensions of the body are given here. So this diameter is 140 and height is 185 like that. And this is a body. Okay, next part is nut. Second part is nut. This is your nut, this part. These are the views of the nut, part 2. This nut is inserted in the body here, like this. So if you see here, so the all dimensions of the nut are also given here. This dimension is given. So this dimension is 50. So 50 dia, it is fitted in the this diameter like this, and square threads are there in the nut, and this is the diameter of the threads is given here. And third part is screw. This is our screw. So this is the part which moves up or down into the body, which lowers or raises the height of the screw jack. So this part is given here. Knurling is there, and these are the threads. Square threads are there, dia 38 into 7. These are the threads. So this is the part. Okay, so fourth part is cup. So this cup is given here. This is your cup. Fourth part, this cup is there. Okay, and then number 5 is washer. This washer is there, 5 number. This is a washer which is placed here into the cup, this washer. And number 6 is screw, and number 7 is this tommy bar. This tommy bar is the bar which we rotate. So this is our detailed drawing of all the parts, and this is given here material also. This is body CI, cast iron material is given here. Nut is GM, means gun metal. Screw is MS, mild steel. And then CS, cup, carbon steel. Okay, then washer is MS, mild steel. Screw is also mild steel, and tummy bar is mild steel. So these are the material of the parts. So all detailed drawing is given here part wise. Okay, now let us go to this assembly drawing. This is our assembly drawing. In screw jack, these are all the parts. This is your body. This is your body. These are the parts given here in assembly drawing also. So the first part is body. In this body, this second part is nut. This nut is inserted into the body. So how it is inserted in the body? Because this diameter, whole diameter in the body is 50, and this nut diameter is also 50 here. So this is inserted here, fitted into the body, this part. Okay. Then number 3 is this screw. This is your main screw. So this screw and threads are there on the screw also and in nut also. Same threads are there. Here it is given. So these are the threads given. 50 square threads. The dia 38 into 7. This is given. This is pitch of the thread is 7 mm and the diameter is 38. So here this specification of the threads are given. SQ means square, THD means threads, square threads. Okay. So similarly here also square threads are there. So this screw is rotated, inserted into the nut. This is your nut and this is screw. These are the main two parts for lifting or lowering the load. These two parts. This is your screw and this is your nut. These are the very functional part. Okay. So then what is there? Then is after 3, then part number 4. Part number 4 is, this is a cup here. This cup is there, carbon steel cup. So this cup is here, placed here on the screw. This cup is placed here, and in this cup, in this screw, there are threads like this. These are the thread where this screw number 6 is fitted here. So these threads are M12, means metric threads, 12 mm dia. So same threads are here also, M12. These are the threads. Okay, and this part is this screw, we can screw it into this thread here after placing the cup. You place the cup upon it, this on this screw, and because hole is there, this diameter 22 and here also dia is 22. So it is, cup is placed here. It is located on this diameter, this cup, and then screw is tightened, and before tightening the screw we place a washer. Which washer? This washer is given here. Washer, this diameter of the washer is 35 and here this diameter is 38. Seat in the cup is 38. So we place this washer here, and then after placing the washer we tight the screw. This screw is given here, and in the washer this seat is of the, for the this screw head seat is there. So it is placed here like this. Okay. So this way we can assemble it. And lastly, this is part number 7, Tommy bar. What is this Tommy bar? Part number 7. So it is for rotating the screw clockwise or anti-clockwise. When you rotate it, this bar, when you rotate this bar, either this screw will be will go upside or downside. If you rotate in clockwise, it may go downside, and if you rotate it in anti-clockwise, it will go up. This screw, part number 3. So this it moves up and down. Part number 3 moves up and down with the help of part number 7. This is Tommy bar given here. This part number 7. So these are all the parts are given here. Detail of the screw jack. So this may be an exercise also. You can draw this detailed drawings like this, and this is an assembly drawing. And in assembly drawing, one more thing is there. It is a center line of the screw jack, center line. From this center line, if you see, half portion is sectioned and half is without section. That means it is half section view. This is half section. Why it is made like this? Because You can also see here detailed assembly drawing without section in this half and with section in this half, because in this half, this part number 3 screw, these threads are visible up to the full length, it is visible, whereas in unsectioned view it is not visible. Okay, similarly this part number 7, this screw and all this in the section, it is visible here, you can see through this, and this side you can see here knurling on the this screw, knurling is there. So similarly cup, if you see this cup in half section view, you can see this thickness of the cup here, this side, and this side without thickness, and you can see full view here like this. So what is the use of half section view? So you can see both type of details here, inside detail also and outside view also. So this is the outside view, it is visible like this, without section it is visible like this here in this half, and in this half it is visible with section view like this. So this is half section view is given. Okay, so I think it's clear to you. So this exercise is a very good exercise for this students of engineering drawing. Okay, so it is given here, function is also given here like this. So it is written here in this screw 3 works in the nut 2 which is press fitted into the main body. So this nut is press fitted into the main body, and this tommy bar is inserted into a hole through the enlarged head of the screw, and when this is turned, this tommy bar, when it is turned, screw will move up or down and thereby raising or lowering the load. So this is the function. So this way I think it's clear to you. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in next video soon. Thanks. Please like, share and subscribe.